When it comes to high-quality cookware, this Granitestone 14-inch family-size non-stick frying pan stands out as a product that merges durability, performance, and convenience. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this large induction skillet is designed to cater to your culinary needs with unparalleled efficiency. Its combination of a hard-anodized exterior and ultra-non-stick interior makes it a must-have kitchen tool. But does it live up to its promises? Let's dive deep into this detailed review to uncover what makes the Granitestone skillet an ideal choice for every kitchen. The Granitestone Armor Max technology redefines the standards of non-stick cookware. This frying pan is crafted with a 4-layer ultra-release non-stick coating, ensuring that nothing sticks to its surface. Imagine effortlessly flipping pancakes, sautéing veggies, or frying eggs without needing a drop of oil or butter. This cutting-edge technology not only enhances your cooking experience, but also promotes healthier meals by reducing the need for excess fats. Cleaning up is just as easy. Wipe it down or toss it in the dishwasher for a hassle-free experience. Built with heavy-duty hard-anodized aluminum, the Granitestone skillet is twice as strong as stainless steel. This ensures a product that can withstand years of daily use without showing signs of wear and tear. Unlike traditional pans, its surface resists scratches even when used with metal utensils, including spatulas, whisks, and electric beaters. And it doesn't stop there. This frying pan is backed by a 10-year limited warranty, so you can cook with confidence, knowing your investment is protected. One of the standout features of the Granitestone frying pan is its versatility. Whether you use a gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, or induction stove, this skillet is compatible with all heat sources. It's also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling you to seamlessly transition from stovetop cooking to oven baking. The ergonomic stay-cool handles provide a comfortable grip, ensuring safety and ease of use for both right and left-handed users. Perfectly cooked meals every time. Say goodbye to uneven cooking. The Granitestone skillet boasts quick and even heating due to its forged aluminum construction. This eliminates hot spots and dead zones, giving you consistent results whether you're frying chicken, simmering sauces, or preparing one-pan meals. Health and safety at the forefront. Cookware safety is non-negotiable, and the Granitestone frying pan excels in this area. It's made without PFOA, PFOS, lead, or cadmium, ensuring a toxin-free cooking environment for you and your family. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, you can cook with peace of mind knowing your cookware is eco-friendly and safe. What sets it apart? Number 1. Extra large family size. The 14-inch skillet is perfect for large families or gatherings. Its size allows you to cook multiple servings in one go, saving time and effort. Number 2. Easy maintenance. Thanks to the ultra non-stick surface, cleaning this pan is a breeze. It's also dishwasher-safe, making post-meal cleanups less of a chore. Number 3. Professional-grade performance. The combination of advanced non-stick technology and a durable build gives this pan the feel of professional-grade cookware. Real-world applications. Imagine hosting a dinner party where you effortlessly sear steaks to perfection, roast vegetables in the oven, and prepare fluffy omelets without worrying about food sticking. That's the kind of convenience the Granitestone frying pan brings to your kitchen. Its large surface area is ideal for preparing family-sized meals, while its non-stick capabilities reduce cleanup time, giving you more moments to enjoy with loved ones. Why choose Granitestone? 1. Unmatched durability. Hard-anodized aluminum ensures a long-lasting product. 2. Convenience. Non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe design simplify cooking and cleaning. 3. Healthier cooking. Non-toxic materials promote healthy meal preparation. 4. Versatility. Works on all stovetops and can be used in the oven. Final thoughts. This Granitestone 14-inch family-sized non-stick frying pan is more than just a piece of cookware. It's an investment in your culinary journey. Its innovative features, superior durability, and exceptional performance make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. If you're searching for a skillet that combines functionality, style, and longevity, look no further. Click the link in the description below to learn more and make this versatile pan yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.